Hey guys, for this video I'm going to show you how you can check answers to solutions of equations using your graphing calculator. So if I was given the equation 2x plus 6, or the absolute value of 2x plus 6 is equal to 14. Like you learned before, how I would solve this is by isolating the absolute value, which it already is, setting the equation equal to 14 and negative 14, and then going through the entire process using inverse operations for solving. So notice I got the answers negative 10 and 4. So I could just substitute these numbers back into the original equation to check, but I can also use my graphing calculator. Now, in order to use a graphing calculator, your equation must be set equal to 0, meaning all the different parts of the equation need to be on one side. The reason for that is because when we're graphing on an XY axis. So we need to make sure that we're accounting for the X's and the Y. Setting this equal to 0 is the same thing as setting it equal to Y. So the equation that I am going to type into my calculator is the absolute value of 2x plus 6 minus 14. So I am going to use Desmos, the online graphing calculator, and I'm going to graph in line 1. So there's a couple different ways that you can put absolute value into the equation. The easiest way is to pull up the keyboard and look right down here. So that's going to give me my absolute value bars. 2x minus 6, 2x plus 6, minus 14. Okay, so now that I've graphed this, and you may need to zoom in and out, what I am looking for are my x-intercepts. So solutions to equations are going to be where the graph crosses the x-axis. So right away I can see, and I can click on them, that these points are crossing at negative 10 and positive 4, which happens to be the solutions that I got. So because of that, that means I solved correctly.